All right, did you know that poke means chunk? Hawaiian Poke Bowls. This is a fantastic recipe that is so fun to do with a group of friends or some family because there's lots of chopping to do, but it's super simple and so delicious and super versatile. I love to do this with wild-caught salmon. Tonight, we're doing tuna, and I'm gonna cut up extra stuff for tomorrow so that I can do a bowl with garbanzo beans. Those garbanzo beans are gonna make a fantastic lunch tomorrow with all the great toppings and the sauces. As per usual, the secret is in the sauce. Today is my lucky day because 2 weeks ago when I made this, I made extra. Cook smart, you guys. Okay, for your marinade and your sauce, again, use one of those wide mouth jars with the measurements on the side and the hard plastic lid so you can blend it right in your jar and store it right in the jar. That's a ball lid. You can get those online. You're gonna do a half a cup of gluten-free, non-GMO soy sauce, 1/4 of a cup of organic rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of raw local honey, 1 large clove of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of organic fresh ginger, peeled and sliced against the grain. 2 tablespoons of organic toasted sesame seed oil. Okay, all of that in your jar, and you're gonna blend it with your immersion blender. This sauce also doubles as your marinade. So if you're doing this with fish, you're gonna pour this over your fish and then cover with a tight lid and put it in the fridge for an hour. We like to serve this with brown jasmine rice, so I'm gonna throw that in my Instapot and chopping up all my chunks. We like to do snap peas, avocados, red bell pepper, mangoes, jicama, sliced green onions, cilantro, and this is not the healthiest ingredient, but salted roasted pistachios. My chunks are ready. Cast iron pan is hot. I'm gonna use a little bit of ghee on my pan, sear my tuna on one side for about a minute, and then flip it and sear it on the other side. Okay, there's another sweet chili mayo sauce that goes on the top with this. It is amazing. I'll put it in the comments. Slice up your tuna, load up your bowl, top with your sauces, and enjoy.